So hello everybody! I will start my next puzzle. It will be this one. So that's Circles of Life, a circle of colors, excuse me. And I already did two of them. I've got one here and I helped working on one last year on the puzzle retreat. So those are always fun to do. Well, the Wednesday one I did is technically the same shape, I guess. But yes, so I'm excited to do it. It is called, let me have a look. It is called Desserts. Yes, that's desserts. And yes, I want to say a special shout out to my kids, the two kids. They are standing behind the camera and very bravely my men behind the camera, and they press play and stop and play and stop because I'm doing a lot of these intros today. So that's very cool. Say hi.
Hi.
So those were my kids. I've got you. Okay, guys, let's do it. Okay, you guys, so that was it. It was very easy. It was fun. It was it looks very very tasty. Yes, here we have all the baking goods. So we've got no, I won't say it. But there's an eclair and a lot of cakes, and yes, some pies and all this stuff. Looks great. Look, candied apple, a jello cake or something, cookies. So, you know, I always love my baking goods. I hope that's a cinnamon bun. Yeah. Okay, that was it. So, tell me, what is your favorite baking good or your typical baking good in your country? That would very much interest me. And yeah, we will see us on the next one. If you like what you saw, you can hit the like button, or you could consider to subscribe if you want. Okay, bye bye, guys. See you next time.